Here we go. We're up a place called Antwerth, and on our four-wheel driving along this old disused track, we found this old relic. It used to be a eucalyptus oil company. Used to make oil out of eucalyptus trees. Pump the water out of the creek there, I suppose, to keep the boilers cool. And she's still here. And 1882, so it's what, 130 years ago. Ah, longer, 150. Yeah. Anyway, the only other old relic is that old church over there. And a house down yonder, which I'll show you in a minute. That's where an exorcism was performed and a poor girl lost her life in there when they were doing it. The occupants of the house were sent to jail and they burnt the house down because the locals don't want to be reminded of what happened here. Anyway, we'll get back up there and have a look. Have a look at that. 1882. And the company might be still going. They moved to Euston in 1905. There we go.